Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 2 guitar for Clone Hero. First, gather your essential components for a smooth setup. You'll need your trusty PlayStation 2 guitar, a compatible USB adapter to bridge the connection to your computer, and of course, the Clone Hero game itself. Having these items ready will make the entire process much quicker and more enjoyable. Let's get started with the specific hardware you'll need. To make this connection work, you'll need a PlayStation 2 to USB adapter. These are readily available online and typically support both Guitar Hero and Rock Band controllers. It's important to find one that is reliable, as quality can vary. Occasionally, you might need to install specific drivers for your adapter to ensure your computer recognizes it correctly. This step is vital for seamless gameplay. Once you have your adapter, the physical connection is straightforward. Simply plug your PlayStation 2 guitar into the adapter, then connect the adapter's USB end into an open port on your computer. After your computer recognizes the device, launch Clone Hero. Go to the Settings menu, select Controls, and then Map Controls. Follow the on-screen prompts to assign each button on your guitar to its corresponding action in the game. This ensures your inputs are correctly registered. Sometimes, you might encounter issues like unresponsive buttons or noticeable input lag. First, ensure your adapter's drivers are up to date or try reinstalling them. Input lag can be a common problem, with some adapters introducing delays of up to 125 milliseconds. If you experience significant lag or frequent disconnections, investing in a higher quality adapter might be beneficial. Experiment with different USB ports too, as this can sometimes resolve minor glitches for a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.